Uh-huh. Oh. Oh. Ouch. Ooh. No. Never. Really? Did you tell him? Did you tell him? Did you? Well, what did he say? What did he say then? He never said that. I'd have told him. What did you say? What did you tell him? What did you tell him then? Oh. Yeah, well, I don't blame you. Really? Well, I'm glad you did. Yeah, I bet he did. I bet he was a bit scared when you said that.